Such a general answer. Lens all steam up after that. Look like a little almond wrap. What the heck? Chiso? What? Oh, this is chiso. It smells good. Oh shit! Look at these ants. It's good that I didn't rub this one. Otherwise, they was all kind of like, you know. Ooh. Wait, my lens doesn't focus. Hello, lens. Thanks for following nuts. How about this? I don't know what is this one. This one I'm clueless. I have no clue what is this. What is this one? Night is not over yet. Oh my god, look! That one is even bigger. Look how big it is. They have to use like a small basket underneath to like hold it. Ah, that one is huge. Ooh, let's go inside. How do I go inside? This is like huge. Ah, look. They even have like use a basket to like hold it. I'm pretty sure it's big like hell. It's huge. Oh, what is this? Don't you love these plants? Oh, for sure off like that rubbing girls are checking out huge girls. Hello, stop it. Devil squash? No shot. This is papaya, yes. Yes, this is papaya. This is kind of X-rated. Chat, look, I did nothing wrong. If there's something wrong, it's because of what you're thinking is wrong, okay? Okay? We all agree with that? Raw papaya? Yes. The basket one is squash. Do you think we can go inside those houses? Are we allowed to? Wait, this is so big. 322. Let me see if we have time to go to another village. There's 2 more villages I wanted to go, but I don't know if we have times. There's another one called Wood Village, and another one called Carpentry Village, and another one called Bronze Village. Wow, there's a bunch of things. Let's go to... Let's see. Do tourists pay to visit these farm areas? No, this is free. I didn't pay anything. I just walk around. Yeah, this is free. Free. I only pay at the pottery village earlier, but the Seoul village is free. This one is free, and I'm not sure about others village. So I want to go to the mat village, but I think it's far. It's the furthest one. Maybe we go back to Ancient Town. Let's go to Ancient Town now. Or do you guys want to see more village? There's 3 or 4 more village, but I don't think we have time today. Maybe we can try tomorrow. Oh, look, this is interesting. Why is this one growing among all the cabbage? What is this one? Randomly, a weird plants growing amongst the cabbage. Is that a mini cabbage? This one is what? What is this one? He escaped. Look, it's so big, and it's just randomly like the whole cabbage line, and there's just like one here. Look like wheat. Cabbage and lettuce, what is the difference? I have no clue. You look like a cabbage leaf? I don't think it's a cabbage leaf. Some type of melon? But why is it random in the middle of like the line of cabbage, and there's like one random plants in there? Oh, do you guys know this one? This one is easy. I think everyone knows this. This is easy. This is easy. This is very popular. Everyone eat this. This is very popular. Someone eat a melon, spit the seed out, walking by. Some sort of mustard. Ah, this is definitely mustard. This one is also a mustard, like a baby mustard. No, this is not spinach. This is mustard, yeah. Delamar is right. Different variety, perhaps. Mutant cabbage. Look at the flowers. You can tell that's a mustard.